guys, what's up? We are in the midst of, what is it, Tropical Storm Debby or something. I mean, it's kind of up now, but look at this water. This is a road, by the way. That is an epic fail.
Thank you. Hi!
Needless to say, we won't be going anywhere for quite a long time. There are massive ponds like around our house, and we've seen like 5-6 foot gators living in them, along with multiple babies. So now Katlyn's terrified that we're like gonna see one of them.
A big cute.
I wonder where that came from. Like, I wonder what it was. Yeah, we can use that to fight the gators. It's taller than you are. And now my phone's getting wet. So we're walking along and this floated out of my shoe. This is the thing that's supposed to be in the bottom of your shoe. It's not a good situation. Oh, this is a drain, by the way. Oh, and the other one's floating out too. That's wonderful. This is just insane that my feet are like completely underwater. And Katlynn? So Katlynn just fell in the water. And she's okay, but that was epic.
I drank a little water.
Yeah, she got
Tastes
a little
like dirt.
Tastes like dirt. That's amazing. Kaylin's going swimming. We don't have a pool.
Yeah, they're smart.
Yeah, these people are geniuses.
I can walk backwards in flooded water.
This went well.
I know, but I was gonna leave that. This is a guy trying to go through the water. I know he's gonna make it. Big wave, big wave. Slippery.
Okay, Mom's trying to take off Katlyn's shoe. Her rain boot. This is
We're trying to
hilarious.
take off my shoe. Oh, we're both.
Yeah, and Inception!
This is after a flood. And my leg is jiggling.
Next day after the rain, and this is the view. That's... wow.